Hi, this is our Congressional App Challenge submission. The app is called WishFood. My name is Abhinav, and my partner's name is Albert. Before we introduce you to our app, we would like to provide you with some background context of why we created this. Food waste is a major problem, specifically here in America, and we want to help protect our world by fighting this major crisis. Did you know an estimated 16 billion pounds of food are wasted by grocery stores each year, and an estimated 22 to 33 billion pounds of food are wasted by restaurants each year? Not only does this excessive waste lead to global warming by filling up the landfill, but it also leads to food insecurity around the world. With our app, we believe that we can help to prevent both of these major issues from furthering. Speaking of, I would like to introduce you to our app, WishFood. WishFood acts as the middleman between restaurants and grocery stores and food banks. We hope to mitigate the food waste crisis in America by giving people the opportunity to volunteer to deliver food from grocery stores and restaurants to food banks. Instead of throwing away food that a grocery store failed to sell by the sell-by date, or throwing away food that a restaurant was not able to finish up by the end of the day, this food could be much better utilized in a food bank, where the countless number of people who lack the privilege of having abundant food can access it. As high schoolers ourselves, Albert and I believe that people should start helping the world as soon as possible, regardless of age. Because of this, we had the idea of completed deliveries being able to be turned into Honor Society hours for high schoolers to motivate them to help the world step by step. We will kick off this plan very soon, as we are still in discussions with local Honor Society organizers. Now that I have explained some background, let me show you how our app works. Great, so this is our app, and I'm going to walk you through what a full transaction on this app would look like from a deliverer's point of view. Here you can see me creating my account where I add in my information, and after that it will take me to the login page where I will log in with the same information that I just created an account with. And after logging in, I'm now brought to this delivery opportunity screen where I can see all the different opportunities that I as a deliverer can make to deliver food to a food bank. From there, I will be selecting the first post made by Safeway, which includes all the information for the transaction between the deliverer and Safeway. After that, I will select the food bank that I want to donate to, and here I will choose the last one that says the route connection, which accepts all types of food. From here, I will be taken to a confirmation screen that will confirm that I want to make the delivery.
Now we'll go over the backend. For tooling, we use F#.NET, a functional first object-oriented programming language that runs in the Common Language Runtime. We also use ASP.NET Core, a .NET Web Framework. For authentication, we use Argon2 as our password key derivation algorithm to hash and secure passwords. We also use JSON Web Tokens to verify user identity and roles. For infrastructure, we use the Azure App Service for backend applications deployed to cloud hosted by Microsoft Azure. We also use Cosmos DB, a NoSQL non-relational database, and we persist user and post information. For data model, we have the user containing the type, relevant delivery information, authentication information. We also have posts containing locations such as address and coordinates, details, and receiving or donation and claim status.